Okay, turn camera on, zoom out, fix. Okay, brush hair. Okay, aesthetic. Okay, hair looks shiny. Okay, check. Good job. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I wrap my hair. I did my flat iron routine not too long ago, and some people wanted to know how I wrap my hair. It's pretty simple. That's a lie. It's doable. Okay, so just stay tuned and keep watching the video.
Okay, so I start off by using my, what is that called? It's a paddle brush. I fix the camera. Okay, stop. And then I start by combing out my hair all the way around. So I comb out the back, and then okay, I'm just showing you guys. What am I doing? Okay, I'm combing it forward now. All right, so I'm combing my hair forward, and you're gonna start looking like Cousin It, okay? But it's gonna come together. So I use my paddle brush, and I comb my hair where there's like a center in the center, okay, in the middle of my head, and then I start combing it brushing in the direction I want. So I start with the paddle brush, but then I take up my boar bristle brush, and I find like this gets it tighter and closer to the root and allows the wrap to lay flatter. I really had to be working this chair for you all to see all these angles, because ain't no spinny chair, okay? It's a normal wood chair that I'll be spinning around in. Okay, so I go and I use the paddle brush and I brush. Then I use the board bristle brush and I do the same thing, and I brush, and my left hand is on top of my head, keeping it all in place because I don't use bobby pins to secure my hair. It's really just an interchanging of the paddle brush and the board bristle brush, because my hair isn't like trained to stay in a wrap, because I don't wrap my hair that often, to be quite honest. I just wrap it whenever I flat iron, and that's probably like once every blue moon. So it's really just about wrapping your hair in the direction, keeping one hand to secure it, using the paddle brush and then the board bristle brush to like make it tame. Whew. I'm about done. You know, I was sweating. Okay, this was a lot. Again, and I use my do-rag to keep it in place. That big hole is there for, you know, added ventilation, because we don't want our head getting too hot. And I use that to secure the wrap, because I don't know if my head's too big or I haven't found the right one, but like those wrapping things, they don't work for me. So I just use a do-rag and it keeps my hair in place. So then after, to keep it in place, I use my satin bonnet. And that's pretty much it. That's how I wrap my hair.
Wow, this is close. Okay guys, so that's it. I'm finished. It's kind of taxing, but it's definitely simple and doable. It's mostly challenging, like if I just trimmed my hair or if I just straighten it. But you know, practice makes permanent. Maybe not perfect, because it's not perfect, but it makes permanent. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and that you like, that you comment, that you share and subscribe, and you know, just disperse this video all over the internet. And I'll make sure to be back next week. I'm trying, guys, I'm trying. See you in the next one. Blessings.